You're embarrassed? I'm gonna walk like this. I'm gonna do with that actor right there. Hi, actor.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Bagong ligo. Today is Saturday, guys. Good morning po. 9:06 na, pero ang kakainin ko, alam nyo ba yung kakainin ko? Pizza! Mag-pizza tayo. Sana hindi kayo mahulog. Tignan natin. Ilagay natin. I think hindi siya magkasya, pero you know what? Ilagay ko pa rin. Binahog ko dyan. Binahog talaga. Ayan. Lutuin natin. I-bake natin yan. Or hanggang mag-crunchy na siya. Ito kay Tami. Ito later. Mag-coffee tayo, guys. Maraming coffee dito. Hala. Itong asawa ko, kinain lahat ng sprinkles, oh. Kaloka. Ito yung pinakaano ko sa asawa ko, guys. Early in the morning, magising yan. Ang gagawin, kain-kain, snack-snack. Mga, ay naku, tignan mo yung Pringles ba yun? Hindi man lang kumain ng breakfast talaga. Kaya pala ayaw niyang kumain ng breakfast. Sabi ko, magluto ako ng egg para sa atin. Sabi niya, no. Ayaw daw niya. Ano lang ito, bag? Pizza. Hindi ka man kumakain ng pizza, uy. Hindi man ikaw kumain ng pizza. Akala niya may croissants ako. Yung croissants is andun sa baba. So, yun. Hindi. Ayaw kong pumunta sa baba, guys. Ay, basement. Ayaw kong pumunta sa basement. Palayo. Ayaw pa doon kay klaro ka etong pahak. Palayo kayo. Yung cheese na nulusaw, natatagat, manitits. Ang sarap pa naman ng cheese. Hala, sarap ng pineapple, ang tamis. Ang laki, uy. Pizza in the morning. Bagong ligo ako, guys. Mabango-bango. Masakit yung ulo. You still more one, huh? Hi guys. Nakabihis ako. Punta kami sa tulay. I don't know kung saan kami pupunta, pero parang sa tulay.
Morning, guys.
What are you planning? Can't find like that again. Yes, you can, right?
Oh, Andrew got this train years ago.
Oy guys, punta pala kami sa tulay, sa ilalim ng tulay. Punta kami sa tulay. Even though Tommy doesn't wanna go, don't wanna go, like doesn't like want to go. I don't want.
Yeah, because we're feeling like crap.
Like, we don't do this often. I don't even ask him to. Okay, guys, we are in the bridge. Look at the leaves. We're here. Tommy's with me. Yay! We're here. Really now.
Snacks and candy and coffee here.
Yeah, look at this, guys. Meron na silang, they have the... Oh, you can't smoke? Smoking is prohibited in this area. Look. Smoking. You can't smoke. Tommy cannot smoke here, guys.
See, there's a Bisaya factor for you.
Okay, guys, we are here. We're entering the castle of... Oh my God. I see a lot of dogs. Okay, now it's kind of cold now, guys. Oh my God, yeah. Tommy.
Oh, ridiculous. They got this. Walk on the side, bikes in the middle.
Yeah, that's what happened. We've been here, guys, but hindi ganito, hindi siya fall. So we've been here, but now I can see all the leaves. Is nice. Look how nice
Point
that.
down.
Point down. Look at it. Nice looking. The cloud. It's very deep. Look. I'm so happy, guys, that you know I'm with Tommy. We don't do this often. See how it is. Yay. You're embarrassed?
Hi,
He's embarrassed.
Walk down the
Guys.
bridge.
Yeah. I'm gonna walk like this, guys. I'm gonna do with that actor right there. Hi, actor.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me. My enemies have tried every possibility.
Yeah, the bridge picture right
To
there.
know if I can bleed.
We're just enjoying.
You won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly.
You're very tall. It's hard to vlog you. You're very tall, boy.
Filming the water from here. This angle is so feet.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me. My enemies have tried every possibility. Ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly. I can fly. I can fly. I can
Get my shoulders so you can get high enough.
Stay there. I take picture here. Hold on. Take picture. Nice. Hey, look at, did you see the water park? Huh? What mental health?
That's mental health.
Yeah, hold on. I've got a zoom. I have candy right now. Over there is so pretty in that area right there. Right there, guys. Oh my God, Look at it. Okay, I'll go back. Huh? The flag is the halfway.
Yeah. You see, you got the cone in the flag. That's probably the half. That means you're halfway across the bridge.
Look at it, honey. You can see the view over in our back here. But I'm too short. It's really hard. Look, 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 look.
Yes, huh?
Thumbnail. We don't do this often, guys. Ang ganda lang ng bridge, eh. Seems like there's a lot big parking lot over there. Okay.
Yeah. Some kind of shopping area or complex or something.
Yeah.
There's a restaurant right down here somewhere, because that's where we used to park.
Huh?
We used to park at the restaurant on the other side of the bridge.
It's nice. This camera. Are you gonna jump to get it? Pabalik na kami, guys, dahil hindi kinaya ng tuhod ko. My knee is hurting. So yeah, Tommy knee is hurting already. So that's why we have to go for it. Is
My
it?
knee always hurts.
Huh?
My knee's always hurting. That's nothing.
Yeah, so
I'm used to that.
pabalik na kami, and yun simple lang, guys. Pumunta lang kami dito para para tingnan yung mga nice choo-choo, the train, guys. Choo-choo train. Okay, can I do time past hand? Hold on.
So be quick.
Still low? Oh my God. Still very low. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, Tommy. Tommy, thank you. So we are going to get some lunch because time check it is 2:30. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. So yun. So we're picking up lunch. Well, actually, I can eat lunch like, I have
No, my phone or your phone?
mine.
It shows up.
You go left here, huh? What we gonna do for dinner? Bumili ako, guys, ng sabihin natin kay Tami. Tami! For my thing, for my ASMR. It's colorful, What are you looking?
For the big ones. Fat ones.
Oh no, that's you're looking to be frank on? What is the hot dog is what? The fat is not long. Tom is like one fat and long at the same time. Guys, Tom is looking for hot dog, but it needs to be fat and long.
Dinner Franks, but I know it's can't be Canon anymore.
Tom is looking for fat and long. They're fat and short. Ayaw niya yung mga ganun, guys. Yung mga dirty joke. Ayaw ni Tommy, right, Tommy? Another steak, what?
$13 a pound.
How much?
$13 a pound.
$13 a pound. That's good. God bless you. Yung binili namin, guys. Look, guys, nakapain ako. Ha? What is that?
Dog ice cream.
Oh, a dog. Hala, dog ice cream. Is that real dog ice cream?
Yes.
Is that for his dog?
Yes.
Hala. So, nakakita ako ng panta, guys, na pineapple. And also, bumili din ako ng Out China fruit bar. Pineapple din. And ito lang. At saka nakahanap din kami ng malaking family size na Hawaiian bread. 3 yung kinuha namin kasi si Tammy said bilhan daw namin yung pusa, si Hubs. At saka steak, cheese, and something Pop-Tarts. So yun, andito din para sa channel ko, cupcake. What are you looking? Okay, let's go home. You think Roxy would love to have it for video?
I'll see if it does. They make it for dogs. And some supermarkets, they have a freezer in the pet food section.
Yeah.
This one doesn't, so obviously that's why they put it in this freezer.
Okay.
Because it's cheaper.
Okay, get the cheap one.
$2.99 one now.
Okay, get.
And it's dog ice cream, for God's sake.
God, the dog have an ice cream. The cat don't have an ice cream, huh?
No.
Where are you going? We're finished here, guys. I'm so thirsty of cold. I want cold water, but I decided to pick up this pineapple, guys. Like a pineapple something. This one here. Ah! It's cold, guys. It's good for summer, but whatever. Let this guy go.
It's true, you get all the summer things you get in the winter.
Huh? That's me. I'm very opposite. I'm thirsty. A chunk of pineapple here.
Oh, you got the drink in the back. And I don't see signs.
Watch out, boy!
Oh, what?
Remember, guys, I showed you sa bahay, meron kaming dalawa, 3 Musketeers chocolate. And he looked it was last night you're looking? This morning. And he said he cannot find it. 3 o'clock, guys. Oh my God, in the morning. My God. And he said he cannot find it. So you buy another one. Oh goodness. Ito na naman. Focus na to, be. Focus. Kaon. Kaon. Kaon ta. Kain tayo. Pakita dihat. Cute. Kain tayo. Ba't tinakpan mo, Togs? Paano mo nasabi? Magagawa lang ako ng tuna salad. Carrots. And then ako celery, so which is good. So yun yung gagamitin ko pa. Ang daming pagkain. Kapag andito talaga si Tami, oh, tignan niyo. Puno. Walang space. Yan.
Black. She goes, oh, my hand. And she looks at arm and look offhand the hand said I have. He's like, I'm not stupid, Mom. That's a fake hand. He goes, grab the hand and the hand grab him. And father's underneath the table with his hand on that.
Tommy is ginaw, guys. He's cold. He's not feeling good. And I feed the cats because when I was making your tuna salad, and they like the tuna more, the one that the bumblebee. No dinner yet? I don't give you dinner yet? No din yet? Oh, no din. Like that is right there. Nagigrill na si Tami Moy.
But maybe I had 409, but not had it.
Fantastic. Yes, the three of us.
Really nice to be here. Not watching everything.
Can I put that now in the oven?
Yes.
No, the other one, not that one.
Asparagus?
No,
Oh, the, yeah.
pasta and chicken. Is that okay? Without the cover, right? Right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's like way too much butter.
I know. So Roxy! Tapos na kaming nag-dinner, guys.
My phone.
Huh?
So my phone.
No? It's not my phone. It's the thing.
What
Oh, Hubs? Where is Hubs?
do you think?
Oh, in the laundry area. Tapos na kaming kumain, guys. The steak is so good. So good. Look, Tommy is cold, guys. Look at him, guys. Let's go na. How about red butt?
That's from Roxy licking it.
Oh, be careful, huh? Because she's gonna lean over there and drop. Look, she likes it, hon. And she likes it.
He. Well, you are, it's so much trouble here. Everybody calls you she. I don't get it. I know that you're a he. Because you're my little man.
Han, I really want him to have a ribbon for fun. Right, Bug? For the video, little man. And you don't wanna eat sheep face. Hala, Dada and you have the same color, hub. Look. You're so special, man. Dada and you don't wanna be here, Han?
Yeah, that's okay.
It's okay. You love him so much, huh?
It's okay.
You do love him?
Yeah.
You don't forget anything from the White House.
I don't think.
You have your cell phone, your charger upstairs. You don't lift anything upstairs.
Bye, little man. Bye, Dibblum. Bye, Rox. Bye, Liz.
They come out?
No.
No.
You don't do it.
Come out and leave.
Love ya. I'll talk to you later. See you on Friday, but I'll talk to you later.
No.
Yes.
No. No. It's like you're beating my heart, you see.
Hi, Ann.
Yes, it is.
You'll live through it. Huh? It's not too much. Huh? Not. Love you, Ann. Hi, hon. Drama. You know how to find me. Well, out the door. I really don't like that. I
I
can't.
almost got it off.
Yeah. Until you missed a couple seconds.
I love you.
I love you too. You got your key, right?
Yeah, drive careful, yeah. Bye, love you.
You too. Bye.
Drive careful, ha.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Don't forget, shut lights.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching for today's video. Salamat guys sa mga sa suporta ninyo, sa pagla-like, sa pag-subscribe kung hindi pa kayo naka-subscribe. Thank you all guys so much. And yes guys, so yun. Thank you guys so much and I hope I will see you guys again. Again guys, again. I hope I will see you again sa susunod na kabanata ng ating buhay. That means the next day, okay? So, yeah, magwa-vlog tayo for next day. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Good night, guys. Good night. Good night. See night. See night. See good night. Meron kayong ice cream, Rox. Roxy, do you have ice cream? Okay, I will give it to you tomorrow. We're going to film your ice cream, okay? Dog mukbang ice creamy. Ice creamy na ice cream mo. Roxy. Dada left. Oh, Dada si bye-bye. Dada si bye-bye. Dada went out. Yeah? Dada went out. Si bye-bye na. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.